and welcome to In the Know, where we provide the print industry with analysis of key government legislation that will affect print, whilst providing you with expert analysis on key sector trends, new technologies, and maximising the effectiveness of your operation. Now, we want to thank our amazing sponsor for this bulletin, Antalis, which is not only one of the industry's favourite paper suppliers, but also a company that consistently delivers innovation.
Antalis is an important industry pioneer when it comes to offering its customers sustainable solutions for their creative print and display projects. And a good example of this is its Zanita Aspect range, which complements its Zanita print and craft offerings. Zanita Aspect, which has a maximum 5-star rating on the Antalis Green Star system, is engineered specifically to cater for the evolving needs of businesses while minimizing their environmental footprint. With its stronger core, Zanita Aspect also offers significant performance characteristics over alternative solutions. For example, it has a recyclable and repulpable craft core alongside normal paper waste. It has been FSC certified for virgin fiber, and it is free from elemental chlorine and VOC adhesives. When used in three-dimensional display applications, it can also be broken down and flat-packed for reuse and is ultra-lightweight. It also has very good moisture resistance and can be printed to directly with UV, screen, solvent or latex inks, and can be laminated and CNC cut. To find out more about Zanita Aspect and its specifications, visit their website on the screen below. And to request samples, please go to this following link. So, before we bring you our analysis of government legislation, later in the bulletin, we hear from Mike Holyoake about critical industry trends and how Service Graphics is capitalizing on them to grow. Systematic tackles the mountain of mental health. Konica Minolta celebrates 150 years of innovation. And Antalis heralds the evolution of creative papers. Following sustained and focused advocacy on behalf of the UK print and paper industries, the IPIA was very pleased with some key policies announced in the Chancellor's autumn statement. Over the course of 2024, the IPIA has worked to educate central government, the Department for Business and Trade, and the Treasury on the critical need for the expansion of capital allowances tax relief, also known as full expensing, among a range of other structural and strategic support recommendations. The policy allows companies to claim back 25p for every £1 invested in the UK, significantly reducing the cost of machinery and supporting infrastructure investment. The IPIA's industry advocacy activities this year also included weekly meetings between the Department for Business and Trade and the IPIA, providing feedback directly from the industry on its economic performance and articulating the support required for it to grow. A meeting between IPIA Chair Charles Rogers with special advisors to the Prime Minister took place in April at number 10, where a print and paper economic stimulus brief was delivered and discussed. Following this meeting, Charles Rogers was invited to attend a business leaders reception at number 10 in May with the Deputy Prime Minister Oliver Dowden, impressing on him the critical importance of print and paper to the UK economy. Then, a delegation of representatives from the print and paper industries, including the IPIA and several of its members, took place at number 10 in July, where a roundtable discussion was held with a senior business and economics advisor to the Prime Minister on the contribution of print and paper to the UK economy and society, specifically technological innovation and sustainability. The IPIA's economic stimulus brief was then sent to the Department for Business and Trade by Special Advisor at number 10, where it was consulted on before being sent to the Treasury for funding consideration. The IPIA then sent a letter directly to the Chancellor, Jeremy Hunt MP, on October 30th, 2023, urging expansion of the capital allowances tax relief policy, its top structural economic stimulus request. The receipt and consideration of the letter was confirmed by government officials. Chairman of the IPIA, Charles Rogers, commented following the autumn statement, "In particular, we are very heartened to see the confirmed announcement of £11 billion investment per year in UK manufacturing through making the full expensing scheme permanent. The IPIA has focused on advocacy for the extension and expansion of this policy since April 2023 across multiple tiers of government, and we are very hopeful this will strengthen market confidence and stimulate long-term sector growth." Now, on to our interview segment of In the Know, where we heard from Mike Holyoake of Service Graphics about critical trends affecting the print industry and how his company is adapting and growing in light of them.
We invested in equipment based on the markets that we're going after and the applications that we were trying to serve. So, without a doubt, embellishment is the is the key driver in terms of trying to create value. We are looking at embellishment. So it's then a case of, which manufacturers, which partners have got a foothold in there, understand what the embellishment is and how we can market that embellishment to the client. So interestingly enough, with some of the technology that KM are actually starting to partner with, we've started to look at some of those things as well and see how can we actually sort of take some of those propositions and take them to our clients and see, can we get consistent, regular revenue streams by offering that as a service. So it's finding out where you've got the skills, where you've got the opportunity, the type of client that you're actually going after. Do they actually want the services that you're actually looking to invest in and to tool up with?
Now, on with our news briefing and the brave steps that Systematic has taken to be a cheerleader for Summit 53. This is a mountain-sized marathon-length challenge that team member Jill Bell embarked on with her friend Kate Brown. The Systematic team appreciate that struggling with a mental health issue feels like climbing a mountain too. Their managing director, Chris Robey, tragically lost the battle with his own mental health in September 2022. Chris was a respected businessman, IPIA member, a pillar of the caster community, and a running buddy for Jill and Kate. Through Summit 53, Jill, Kate, and Systematic are supporting the critical work of Andy's Man Club, a national suicide prevention charity. It helps men to get on top of their feelings through the power of conversation. The aim is to help fund their peer-to-peer support groups and awareness events. You are invited to unite around this mental and physical challenge by finding Summit 53 on the Just Giving website at the link below. The significance of 53? Well, to run a marathon distance to an elevation equivalent to running up and down Snowdon from sea level, Jill and Kate ran 53 round Robey circuits around Castor. This is a training circuit that Chris devised after establishing Castor Running Club in 2011 to help people run for fun and for free. This half-mile undulating loop around the town is still a firm fixture in the training plan of this popular club. Also, Chris was only 53 when he tragically passed away. It is fitting that Summit 53 culminated on the 1st of October, his birthday and Lincolnshire Day. Now, Konica Minolta is celebrating its 150th anniversary, which sees the company reflecting upon its long history of innovation, as well as focusing on present successes and looking towards future evolution. Rob Ferris, CEO of Konica Minolta Business Solutions UK, commented, "Since our establishment in 1873, Konica Minolta has led the way in inventions and innovations in many technologies and sectors, including office equipment, commercial printing, and the latest in intelligent video solution services. Transformation has always been a crucial factor in our progression and continues to drive us forward, as we can constantly evolve and grow along with our customers, partners, and the wider global community." This 150-year journey began with Roxaburo Segura, who began selling photographic and lithographic materials in 1873, marking the beginnings of the Konica Corporation. The spirit of innovation continues to drive the business, and today, as well as being a market-leading hardware manufacturer, Konica Minolta is also a leading provider of digital IT services. Rob added, "As we mark our 150th year, we recognize the significant contributions of not only our own team, but also our valued partners and, of course, all of our customers. This anniversary further inspires us to continue our tradition of innovation and recognize that there are no limits in our determination to make the future brighter." And finally, following the acquisition of a large portfolio of world-renowned brands from Antalis former supplier R.J. Wiggins, Antalis has revealed news of their evolution and relaunch. First up is its premium uncoated paper and board range, Olin, which is designed specifically to meet the needs of designers and printers with its wide range of creative possibilities. The new and improved Olin range consists of 4 sub-ranges: Olin Design, Olin Colors, Olin Millesime, and Olin Origins. The range is available in 5 shades centered around natural colors, with a tactile finish that has been developed to enhance the memorability and engagement ability of print campaigns using the grade. The range is also 1% for the Planet certified, which sees its proceeds go to support global sustainability initiatives. Next up is Key Color, a range of unique and subtle textured papers and boards, perfect for premium printing and packaging applications. The new assortment offers 45 colors that match existing shades with a continuous supply of this famous range. And Telus has also revealed news of an iconic print industry brand, Conqueror, as it now owns it and all the related intellectual property. The renewed Conqueror range uses the exact same recipe in production, offering 3 finishes, laid, wove and CX22, across 6 shades and can be digitally printed. The Curious collection, meanwhile, a strong favourite among designers due to its innovative and cutting-edge papers, is made up of Curious metallics, translucent, skin and matter. This range in particular has been designed to support and enable print service providers to cater for the growing demand for print projects where impact and special effects are required.
Thank you so much for watching In the Know. Please do stay safe and well, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode.